What word starts with F but ends with UCK?
Can't say that.
Fire truck! Starts with F, ends with UCK.
そうか
Fresh Baon.
Hey guys, Fresh Baon here, and today we're gonna watch NCT 127 Fire Truck. Let's go.
I'm gonna give you my hose.
Is that a golf club?
Oh, what?
Oh! Yo, that beat,
Dude!
that beat is Yo,
What are they gonna do? The truck!
What's him?
Oh, Chanel? Is that Chanel?
Yeah.
Oh, what? Oh! Hey, yo, this is hype. Yo!
Oh my god.
Yo, their clothes are on point.
Is he rapping or singing, dude?
I don't know.
What is that?
Go! Go!
That hose. Hey! Yo.
Oh my god!
Yo, his hair though.
It looks like he got electrified.
SMD ain't playing!
Was she a grown up now?
The timeline of the
Oh. That beat though, right? They just come out of nowhere with the fire hose. Oh, now she a mom.
Oh, it's pizza pockets. That fire truck, bro.
Yo, they're choreography, bro. Oh, fire truck.
Oh!
You now.
Vocals. Oh, what is that? What is that? That's so old. Floppy disk.
There's some dirty pictures on there.
Probably takes like 10 minutes to load.
Oh! Step up two!
Yo, is that Moose?
Yeah. Bounce.
So much.
Oh, that ripple effect, dude. It's like a DJ Snake type thing, man.
DJ saying.
What? Bang.
Damn. Fire
Fire
truck.
truck. NCT.
Oh, now she's a
a
grandma.
grandma.
She's 127 years old.
They're still
Just
there.
kidding.
Jeez.
They're still there. They never age.
Well, now they're gonna.
They never gonna do her kids.
Oh. SM though.
That was
Going hard.
I rate it. Jeez.
Damn.
3 weeks later
Damn.
I need like time to breathe.
I'm questioning life. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for future videos of Fresh Baon. Make sure to beat that subscribe button. Beat it off. Just beat it off. Beat it off. Slow and then fast. If you want more Fresh Baon, go over here. Previous videos over here. Go click. The fun don't stop. Also down below is our Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, and our Facebook. And our Reddit K-pop. No.